Hi everyone, and welcome back to the AgentVoiceResponse community channel. In the last video, we explored how to run AVR with OpenAI Realtime STS, and we saw how speech-to-speech works in real time with ultra-low latency. Today, we will take it one step next. We will look at how to make your voice agent not only talk, but also act, by using tools, also known as function calls. Let's get started. In AgentVoiceResponse, tools are functions that the LLM can call while it's processing a conversation. They allow your agent to execute actions, for example, transferring a call, hang up a call, or performing a custom task such as checking the weather, for example, or querying a database. If you want to follow along, check out the documentation on the AVR wiki at this URL. Here you will find a full explanation of how tools are defined, how parameters work, and how to add your own. AVR already includes two default tools. AVR transfers the current call to another number, AVR hang up, and the conversation once the maintenance is booked or if no availability is found. So here's an example of how one of them looks inside its definition. This simple structure tells the model what the function does and what input it expects: transfer extension, context, and priority. But let's see how to enable these tools for an agent. Let's move in the AVR infra project, open the Docker Compose OpenAI Realtime file, and configure the OpenAI instructions like this. You are an full assistant, talk only in English, use AVR transfer when you need to transfer the call to an internal. Let's try.
Hi there. What can I do for you today?
Please transfer my call to the internal 600.
You are about to enter an echo test. In this mode, everything you say will be repeated.
That's all you need. As you can see in the transfer response, you can see that the AVR OpenAI STS transferred the call to the internal 600, that is an echo test. But now let's create our own custom function, one of the most requested topics in the community. We will build a simple tool called getWeather, which lets the agent fetch live weather information for any city. Inside the tools directory, I will create a new file called getweather.js with the following code. That's it. You have a name of the function, description, an input schema, just get the location, and then here what the function does. I just return a string with the weather in location that I receive in input is sunny. So now let's try. But before to call, remember to uncomment this section, because you want to use your tools local directory inside on the Docker in user source app tools. Remember to restart the container. As you can see, the Docker recreated the AVR STS OpenAI. Okay, now just see the logs. Okay, and call this.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
What's the weather in Rome?
I'm sorry, but I don't have real-time weather information. You might want to check a weather app or website for the most accurate update on the weather.
Okay, sorry, I forgot to save the file. Just reload. Okay, and call again.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
What's the weather in Rome?
It's sunny in Rome today. Anything else you'd like to know?
It's okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Okay, in the terminal logs here, you will see the get weather function being called, and you will hear the answer right away, generated by the voice engine. It's sunny in Rome today. Anything else you would like to know? That's real-time conversation plus live function execution, a 2 interactive voice AI experience. And that's how tools or function calls, as you prefer, work inside AgentVoiceResponse. You can use the built-in tools like AVR transfer and AVR gap, or create your own to connect with, for example, API, CRM, databases, or any custom logic you need. This makes AVR not just a voice interface, but a fully programmable voice automation platform. If you want a deeper tutorial on building advanced tools or handling JSON schema validation, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join our Discord community, and share what tools you are building next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.